Alright, we're going to be doing a startup of the Honda generator. Please excuse the wind noise, it's kind of windy out here. So, I did a video about this sometime last year. It's got a battery on it for the electric start. Wish it had an alternator on it to keep it charged, which it doesn't, sadly. You have to manually charge it. I did charge the battery a couple months ago. I'm not sure if it's still got any juice left in it. Yeah, I didn't retie this. I took the battery out to charge it because I didn't know whether you're supposed to charge it with the battery connected or not. Turns out it really don't matter. So, tied that down the best I could. I can't get it retied so perfectly. Anyways, let's come over here. Let's see. I'm gonna crank it a little bit with no choke and then put the choke on afterwards. That's if the battery's still even good. See what happens. Of course, oh, I didn't put the fuel on. That's my fault. I'm getting too ahead of myself. It'll level out. Got to give it a minute, it'll level out. I put some fuel stabilizer in it. So, yeah. Thankfully the battery didn't go dead. Oh, I didn't even show how much fuel is in it. Yeah, it's got some in it, not much. Better not have too much fuel in it unless it's, you know, something urgent. Yeah, the engine's shaking a little bit. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not. Engine's shaking a little, that's fine. Just ignore that. Yeah, it's a little shaky. It's fine. Alright, well I'm going to let it run for a few minutes and I will come back and shut it off here later on. Alright guys, I think it's time to go ahead and shut it down. Still misfiring here a little now and then, but like I said, I probably need to add some more stabilizers to it. Because you know, today's gas is not as good as it used to be. So let's go ahead and shut her down. And the fuel off. I just wanted to do that. That way it would get all the remaining fuel out the carb or whatever. I've seen Lexmark's 567 do that, where when it's about to shut off, you put the choke on, and it does that. So yeah. All right, well, I think the reason why it might be misfiring is probably due to how the grass out here is unleveled. The ground is kind of unleveled out in this area, so that could be why it's misfiring a little bit. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching.